Kinder Snowdrop, Bria Simone S. Lina. A round of applause, please.
Our beloved parents, teachers, administrators, guests, classmates, good morning. Today is a memorable event for all of us because we are kindergarten moving up day. It is with great pride and joy that I welcome you all to this momentous day. We are happy for this achievement in our young lives. We would like to welcome and give thanks to our dear teachers for all the efforts they exerted, not only academically, but also socially and spiritually. To our parents for the guidance and support, love and care. To our co-graduates, I hope and pray that all the wisdom imparted to us will be of great help when we move to the next grade. Once again, on behalf of Kindergarten Class 2023-2024, I welcome you to our Moving Up Day. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Bria, for that heartwarming welcome speech. Without further ado, may I call on Ms. Roland Joy A. De La Sencha, the advisor of Kindergarten Rules.